Operation procedure for Supra 618 AH2 surface grinder. 1. Turn on main power breaker. 2. Release emergency push button and turn on power. 3. Turn on spindle motor. Make sure spindle is running clockwise. Turn off spindle motor. 4. Put hydraulic control valve in off position. Turn on hydraulic system. Turn off hydraulic system. 5. Turn on coolant system. Turn off coolant system. 6. Manual rapid crossfeed movement. Turn the manual auto switch to manual mode. Turn on rapid in button. Turn on rapid out button. 7. Auto crossfeed movement. Turn the crossfeed manual auto switch to auto mode. Set table travel. Set crossfeed travel. Turn on hydraulic system. Use control valve to control table speed. Choose the direction by pushing in or out button. Change crossfeed increment. Turn down feed hand wheel clockwise for spindle down and counterclockwise for spindle up.